back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to be swatching 6 neon colors from the brand Beetle, which is an Amazon company. It's an awesome company. I've used several of their products, and I'm super excited to be delving into these colors because they are going to be the it colors of this summer. Now, this set retails for $16.99. It comes with 6 bright neon colors, and all of the bottles are 7.3 milliliters, which is actually not as much as your standard 8 milliliter bottle of polish. Now, I'm probably guessing since their competitors might be a Macard, a Model 1s, and these companies usually sell sets with about 4 milliliters of product, then you get a little bit more of that, which I guess is a plus. The only thing that's a bit weird is that these bottles are huge and they literally are the size of 15 milliliter bottles. And so the expectation would be that they have just as much product as a 15 milliliter bottle, but the product overall is worth trying out. So obviously the first color that I'm using is the Blue 282. I'll apply 2 coats and cure in between both. Now I'm delving into the orange 280 color, and I'm just applying that all over the nails. Guys, honestly, this color is so pigmented that I honestly don't think I need a second coat. I mean, what do you all think? And I'm just popping them underneath the lamp, and I love the way these colors look underneath the light. Next, I'm jumping into the neon yellow color 277, and I think I'm going to use 2 coats with this color because it looks a little bit transparent, and what I'll do is just cure in between each coat. Oh my god, guys, tell me that this color is not awesome. Like, I would love if these colors were neon and they glowed in the dark. I mean, these colors are beautiful. So now I'm jumping into the 278 color, which is the neon green color. And guys, I think this might be another orange. This color is super, super pigmented. Again, I don't think I'm gonna need 2 coats with this one. So I'm just gonna put that underneath the light, cure, and move on. Now I'm jumping into 281, which is the color purple, and I am applying that first coat. Now based on this first coat, I definitely think this one is going to need a second coat, so I'm going to cure between each coat and we'll move on to the next color. Okay, so I'm jumping into the final and last color, which is the 279. It's the pink color. It's my favorite. I'm sorry, I'm a little biased, but I am placing 1 coat on top of that. I don't know if this one needs a second coat. It could go without a second coat. It could go with a second coat. Anyway, I'm going to do a second coat to see how that looks, and that looks stunning. So I am curing that, as you see, between each coat, and then let's see the final results. If you haven't already guessed, I absolutely love these nail polish colors. I like them in matte or the shiny coat, and again, they are great for the summer. If you're looking for something that's affordable and trendy, I do recommend these, and with 7.3 milliliters, I don't think you'll be running out anytime soon. I want to thank you all again for joining me today. If you all like this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button, and if you are watching and you're not subscribed, take a moment to press that subscribe button. Thank you again. Bye.